Hey guys, this is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2018 factory-built glider kit to show you. It's got a 3406 550 cat, 18 speed, 750,000 original miles. This is the 86-inch studio with the couch. Got it hot. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you blow-by, oil pressure, interior, everything that you want to see, just like you're standing here. Let's go ahead and get started. This is original miles to this, so that blow-by is a little bit heavier, but it's 750,000 miles, so it's actually light for 750 in my opinion, but it's got some blow-by, but not terrible for 750. Love the color combo on this. The outlawed fenders just set off that green color. It does have this tri-pack on there. I have not even tried working it yet. Everything looks to be there though. We just got this one in just a couple days ago. As we got it in, we're pricing it with new rubber on the rear. Someone could buy it, put their own rubber. We got options there, so. Body and paint, tanks, everything's in exceptional condition. VIT interior, matching leather seats. And it does have the couch option. Got phenomenal oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs, and the oil pressure climbs exactly like it's supposed to. Exceptionally well taken care of truck. Really like this one. If you got questions on it, give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also reach me by email to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.